Okay, ito po yung ating back view. And ito yung ating front view ng ating bagong air cooler. Ito po yung ating air cooler and open. Yan. May gulong and then may kasamang dalawa. And meron siyang cold, off, low, stroke, high, wind. Ayan, napakaganda po ng ating air cooler. Excited na ba kayo? Titignan natin kung gaano kalakas yung kanyang hangin.
Ito yung low.
Low. Stroke. Okay. High. Ayan, napakaganda po ng kanyang hangin, malakas. Ayan po yung ating air cooler. So, mag-order na po kayo. Napakaganda po nito. Affordable na affordable po siya. Yeah, may swing. Mid. Ayan.